going to work a little of the fortifying ointment into your scalp. You'll feel cool at first.
Here's the natural hair oil recipe I promised. Simple, chemical-free, effective, and made with ingredients you can trust. Ingredients you'll need: castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, clove, and fenugreek. Vitamin E is optional. To find out the type of vitamin E, refer to my previous video. Link. Formula. For a 100-gram batch, 50 grams castor oil, 30 grams coconut oil, 15 grams olive oil, 3 grams clove, 2 grams fenugreek, and optional 1 gram vitamin E. Preparation. Best method. Lightly crush the clove and fenugreek. Mix all the oils, then add the ingredients. Cover and let it infuse for 24 to 48 hours. After that, filter the oil and pour it into a clean bottle. How to use. Apply a small amount to your scalp and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Benefits. This oil helps support scalp health, reduce dryness, and improve shine. Safety. Always do a patch test and avoid contact with your eyes. Stay tuned. Next video. Night cream repair plus deep nourishment. Follow NaturalBloom Care for more simple, natural hair and skin care and holistic well-being recipes.